Where's the pencil? It's in the desk. It's on the desk. It's under the desk.
So look at the pencil. Where's the pencil? It's in the desk. Where's the pencil? It's on the desk. In, on. Where's the pencil? It's under the desk. Under. This is the desk. This is the pencil. This is the desk. This is the pencil. This is the desk. This is the pencil. The pencil is in the desk. The pencil is on the desk. The pencil is under the desk. In, on, under.